For the oil level tuning process, this time we're not following the book at all. We're doing a measurement with the parts in the fork and the parts on the bike. So the book measurements mean nothing. What we're probably going to do is remove 220 millimeters of oil from the top of the fork. But to do that, we need to tip the bike backwards. And to do that, we have to go with our bungee and ratchet system. You can see here that that's given us a little bit more travel on the suspension, maybe ½ an inch. So that's the sag plus whatever I did when I hit my driveway bounce, which should be double that. So clearly we have a problem. So we're going to go back up here and ratchet the bike up using my special leather hand grips here, one side at a time. And we want this wheel off the ground. So the front wheel's almost off the ground. The front wheel's now off the ground. Now we're ready to remove the fork tops.